my friend, out there doing a little tuning. Number 1 qualifier. Going against the big Nitrous guy here. The American flag on. Tim, tell us a little bit of blood to the inside.
Patrick on the Stockburg, Georgia number 10 qualifier, the Pat UC powered 959 cubic inch powered Chevrolet Camaro. Again, number 10 qualifier. Can he take off number 1? It's been a day of upsets so far. It's second round B, another round of upsets.
Extreme Street, Extreme Street, Extreme Street. You should be moving it along with 10-5, 10-5, 10-5. We need you to the lanes, please. Oh, got a little bit. Roll by, man. Exciting category. Gets you a little excited. All the way from Brazil, Fabio Casta, they don't get to drive this thing as much as they want to. It's great to see him make a lot of headway, man. Laying down some personal best after personal best. Chris Patrick, the car's been driving right. Let's see if they got to figure it out. Here's number 2, roll by. Team Brazil, get him a line right there around number 3. As Chris Patrick was trying him to run for his money, had him on the tree.